What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. We have got a second first look. I occasionally do these upon request per the person who makes it. This is from Concord, to which he said, just had it pulled up, sorry. Let's see. Hey, if you get the time, could you do a second look on my OA Vision? I'll send you the stuff later. I've also been having some shaking issues with either ROR or these buses. If you do the second look, let me know if they're shaking for you. And it only works on the new ROR. There's a texturing issue above the Bluebird logo. Or there's a texturing issue on the Bluebird logo above the door that will eventually be fixed. That's what I got. Well, I think we know what this bus is based off of. Clearly it's based off of Grayson's vision. That's clearly his door right there. Otherwise, this body isn't too bad. Let's see, the warning lights, they're incandescent strobing, it is what it appears to be, but the option that it chose was upgraded G2, which, okay, anyway, oops, let's see, here we go. This bus is, now, I did the very first look of it in August of last year, I believe. I think I was watching it just to make sure, or just to kind of compare, but I believe it was August 4th. And there's certainly been some improvements on this bus. I mean, there is still a lot of texturing stuff that's missing. So, for example, the stop sign or the lights up here, you know, you can see through the roof right there. And this is all stuff that can be fixed. Not sure if this is going to be public, private, anything like that. So not sure of that, but okay. See, I'm getting emails left and right here. Okay, this isn't bad. Whoa. Okay, well there's something right there. At least he did not use just normal texturing on there. Which I can very much appreciate, but I don't think wood have play on words right there. I don't think wood is the best option, but otherwise just some basic seats. Got a little bit of texturing right there, and it's interesting how it doesn't appear on this side, only this side right here, which, okay, let's see. Alright, otherwise this is looking a lot better than it was. Wow, we actually got a safety view window in there. Got an AC unit right there. Steering wheel isn't that bad. Let's see. This isn't too bad on the interior, gotta say. So you come over here. Let's see, it's supposed to be an 08. Let's see if, yeah, we can't see that. It's just a picture. Let's see. Turn to open. Let's see. Yeah, so you see, like, some of these letters are missing, and that's just old texturing and stuff, or the R or the A right there, how they have stuff inside of it. But let's see. Let's test out some warning lights on here. Got a lot of different camera angles. Okay, I like that. Even though that's not on this door. So let's go ahead and go through all these camera angles again. So we have there, we have a seat. Where is this? This is in the back. See, this is right in the middle. This is behind the drivers. Let's see. Oh, this is an interesting view right here. I like this view, actually. And then we have the cinematic view. Okay, so lots of different views on there. I like camera views, but, you know, there's a point when there's too many, but don't get me wrong. So, see, gauges are a little bit off, or not the gauges, the, whatever they're called. I keep on hearing the reverse signal go off. Okay, but I love that startup right there. I gotta do it again. Okay, well this is apparently part of it still being off. I gotta hear it again. You hear it very faintly right there. Oh, there's... those noises are also part of the sound. I love that. Best sounds ever right there. Uh-oh. Looks like the doors might be a little bit off. Yep. Oh, well that's why. No, that's still not working. There we go, okay. The warning lights weren't working there for a minute. That default horn is not loud at all. Alright, let's drive it a little bit, see how it handles. It's not handling too bad right now, is what it appears. Very fast already. Let's see, shaking, it looks like... I'm not seeing any shaking on my end. So let's do our left turn test right here. Okay, that's not too bad. Not terrible. Okay, I've had my wheel turn this whole time, so the acceleration is definitely pretty high on this. There's our turning signal sound. Okay, that's not terrible. Okay, was it just me or did I see something like flashing right? Oh, that just must be the door handle in the back. Okay, otherwise... it's not too bad. Yeah, there's certainly some stuff that needs to be fixed about this. Like I said, textures, acceleration. Ooh. That's kind of a big one right there. Okay. I didn't know we were making chicken buses right now. But, otherwise, not too terrible. So... pretty good mud flaps right there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's just make sure that there's nothing else in there. Perfect. So if you have anything for Concord that you want to, you know, that you think should be changed, of course he doesn't want just my 2 cents. Any help is greatly appreciated. So leave it down below on what you think of the bus. And with that, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's magical right a button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or the warning lights will never be put back to normal. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and thanks for watching.